Let us create an amazing photo edit step by step. First, I used the brush tool to select the area I wanted to edit. Then I refined the selection with smart brush for a cleaner and more accurate result. After that, I used smart select to make the cutout look smooth and professional. Once the selection was perfect, I applied the changes and started enhancing the image. Finally, I added beautiful filters to improve the colors, brightness, and overall look. The filters gave the photo a fresh, vibrant, and eye-catching appearance. And just like that, a simple picture turned into a stunning edit.